Hello everybody and good morning. Welcome back to Earthbound Beginnings Remake Hack. Last time we got the third melody. So we are going to Magicant, I think. But first, let's go to the town hall for it. Or now. While we do that, we will go to. We need to talk to the queen. So after that, let's save. Moink. Starman. Like me. Yeah, while I'm playing this, I'm reading some guides. I do need some guides, so yeah, I suck at this. Not gonna lie though. Let's get some. I don't know. Okay. Oh. There you go. Everyone's talking about the girl. Oh, okay. There are many things. There are many things I need to do now. What if it's isn't our hero Nintendo? You have tiger droppings all over your clothes, you know. Oh, I'm just kidding. Sorry, I don't have anything to give you this time. Run along, kid. What an idiot. Huh? What do you mean? Oh yeah. What the? Okay. Hold on. We need to. Okay. 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 Let's go there. Let's go home first. I really like this remix, man. Oink. Maybe next I will play the Toby Fox hack, the Halloween. Kid. Okay. Let's get the. Okay. Talk to me. I mean, store. Yeah. Don't worry, keep it safe. Do you have anything else you want me to store? No. Do you need anything else? Take up. George Diary. Yeah. No, nothing. Thank you. Okay. Later on, I will defeat the dragon, so we can fight it. they just use the NES, yeah, the NES sprite on the second game. Hey dude, hello there. Thank you for your cooperation. Oh, I thought did. Ow. Okay, nice. Let's go here. Yeah. The curfew has finally been lifted. There's a strange rock-like thing in a mountain keep us here. It's so strange. You should definitely take a look. Thank you, officers. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Bionic. Alright then. Ow. Ow. There you go. Do not do that. Stupid idiot. Okay, nice. Level 10. Nice. Okay. Stink. Okay. There you go. Alrighty then, let's do this telepathy thingy. And then yeah, next Magicant. Let's go to Magicant. Okay. Yes, I Pi. Nintendo felt a question enter his mind. Who has lost their tail? Nintendo took out George's diary and read these words aloud. That which was left behind by the ship that sails the cosmos. Okay. Oh my goodness. I like this Magicant. Woo! You're a strange person. You're a strange person, but for some reason I like you. I wish I could go into the castle to see Mary. Okay. We will need some things. Pull out the red weed and place it into the mountain. It will turn into magic herb. Thank you for that clue. Okay, let's talk. I'm taking this broken earring in the fountain. I bet it changed into a magic earring. Okay, let's talk to this NPC right here. If you need the benevolent old man, go to Queen Mary's fountain for his aid. He will hear your soulful cry and come to help. Soulful cry, remember, soulful cry. Could I interest you in a big bag? Yes. In that case, could I borrow your ATM card for a while? Yes, okay, thanks. I just talk to me again if you want it back. It looks really cool. Okay. Oh, that's right. I have to return your ATM card. Here you go. Then get the ATM card back. I give you the big bag. A gift for you. Oh! Then took out the magic herb from the bag and ate it. Okay. Okay, nope. I will not use it anymore. Okay. I am the mysterious mimicker. I've transferred $142 into your account, taking away what you've spent. You should now have $1,627 in the dollars in the bank. Spend your money wisely. Well, the next level requires 586 XE experience for Nintendo. By the way, what do you need? Record. Actually, I was thinking going to sleep now to have me the record the bell button. So far, good night. Good. That great for that is like a mother, but I don't think it's good too hard. Okay, that's the saving point. This one. There's this too. I am the mysterious goods keeper. Okay. Just diary. I'll keep it safe. Okay. Big bag. Okay. Yeah. Okay, nothing. Thank you. I wish I could go into the castle to see Queen Mary. Ah, nope. Same. I'm so embarrassed. I wish I could crawl into a hole if only there were holes to crawl into. My, what strange clothing you wear. Surely monsters will come after you with clothes like that. Maybe. Maybe not. The mysterious sound of the fountain is soothing. Okay. Are you lost? Just head the south. Oh, sorry, I was directing you to the restaurant. If you're looking for Queen Mary's fountain, it's west of the castle. Okay, I think this is the stores. Nope. Don't be silly. There's no exit from a place like Magical. Outside? A world outside? What do you mean? Deep in the woods is a guitar player who keeps ships to himself, not but looking of a man. Quite a poet too. I'm a swimming cat. Have you heard of magic candy that gives you strength and power to a helpless child? I see, you are not helpless. So, you don't need it. A boy with glasses could surely use one. Do you know of one? Okay, I think we need to go there later on. Have you met a man who says you cannot part with someone you have not met? No, you should meet him. Okay, I tend to think the same way too. Happiness wants to just walk into your life on its own, but neither will unhappiness will enjoy you. Yes. If you don't want trouble in your life, you'd best stay still and never move a muscle. What the? What do you mean? In a bad dream, Magicant faded into thin air, vanishing from existence. My heart is still pounding so hard. Okay. Oh, okay. Where can I sleep? The Ocarina of Hope is finally complete. You can use it to play any melodies you've learned. Do you want it? Yes. You're a little straightforward dude. Here you go. Hahaha. Thank you. I do need that. Stranger, I can tell you're not around. You're not from around here. Well, yeah. Have you ever met the man who philosophizes about happiness? No, if people have not met in the first place, they cannot part. Okay. The other one, you should meet him. Okay. I bent my spoon and it's hard to eat with. Do you think you could fix it for me somehow? Please fix it right away. Nintendo fixed the spoon with telekinesis. Thanks a million much. Hey, would you like to spend a night here? The night here, yes. That's good. Okay, thank you. Okay. Please come again. Promise me you'll come again. I will. Okay. Okay, this is the store. Righty then. Wish to run a musical instrument store, but the ocarina I ordered never arrived, so I've given up. Oh, okay. Oh, traveler, why don't you enjoy a meal at our house? Can you guess what we're having today? No, why not? Even are you? Oh yes. Okay. Yes. Enjoy it. Oh man, I like this. There are two options and it's have a good have a nice trip. Thank you. Okay, this is the one. Alrighty then. Hey, I'm actually from the real world, same as you. Just take it. Just make it with cash and goods. Even with the goods, you can dash. Can I go to you? Coins of peace. Protection coin, magic coin. Okay. Too expensive. Okay. Okay, I will definitely buy it later on. Okay. Okay. Okay, there's some redwood on the ground. Then get the redwood. Oh my goodness, dude. Ow. Ow. Okay. 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 Queen Mary's Castle. Suspicious man. I'll let you pass if you solve this riddle. I'll never know what I'm thinking. If I just slipped in. Oh, nope. Suspicious man. I never know what I'm thinking. That's right. The answer is 2 alligators. Although I haven't come up with the riddle yet. Well, thank you. Oh man, I like this. I wish I could hear the Queen sing again. Queen Mary often has nightmares as if scolding a naughty child. She cries out, "I'm scared, I'm scared." And then she starts to sing only a little bit. She forgets the tune and wakes in sweat. I wonder what sad experience has done this to Queen Mary. Okay. Okay, wait. Before we talk to her, let's check this out. Okay. There's a flashlight inside. Nintendo takes it. Once you present, there's a pile of syrup inside. Takes it. Okay. There's magic herb inside. Nintendo takes it. A mysterious power on that protects it was within the earth, sea, and stars. Oh, there's a bullhorn inside. Okay. Oh. Occupied voice can be used many times. Okay, flash dart, set flashlight. Okay, let's talk to the Queen for now and end this episode. Oh. The Queen isn't feeling very well. All of us know you're not from here, but we consider you one of us just the same. With the Onyx hook, you can come back here anytime. Don't hesitate to come visit us again whenever you're having a hard time. Everyone here loves you, Nintendo. Welcome, Nintendo. Here in Magicant, everyone is your friend. You can have as much as you want. You can have as much as you like, or whatever you want. Oh, you want to hear my song? I'm sorry, I don't know why, but I just can't sing. I beg you to learn it and sing it with me. Sing it to me. If I could only sing it again, something important would happen, I'm sure of it. Okay, so this is the end of the episode, everybody. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears.